Hi, John Bona here with the Story of Liberty. We're here in Washington, D.C. at the red carpet for the film made by Dinesh D'Souza, Death of a Nation. This film is really in response to the vicious attacks made by the Democrats against Americans who love liberty. Frankly, in my lifetime, I've never seen anything like this. It's kind of an attack against the very freedoms that we hold dear as a nation: religious, economic, and political liberty. You know, years ago I attended a church in Miami Beach, and I had the privilege of shaking hands on Sunday with Tip O'Neill. I remember both of us saying to each other, "Peace be with you." Tip was a Democrat, but he was also Speaker of the House. He was also a gentleman. And even though Tip O'Neill disagreed with President Reagan, as you know, on politics, they had mutual respect for each other. Reagan politics was a type of gentleman politics, but unfortunately those days are long gone. Today, the Democratic Party has become angry. They're just vicious. And they're creating these calculating lies against President Trump and Republicans in general. For that matter, against anyone who doesn't agree with their liberal agenda or allowing socialism to take over our great nation. We have to look historically. We have to go all the way back to Honest Abe Lincoln to see what the Democrats did to him and realize what they're trying to do the same thing to President Trump. You have to go that far back, repeating the lies and not accepting his victory as president. As I said, the Democrats would not accept Lincoln's presidential victory, and unfortunately they eventually killed him. They killed the great Abe Lincoln. Ford's Theater, right around the corner from here. Today, the Democrats are making up lies in an attempt to remove President Trump from office. But ultimately, they will fail. Why? My friends, remember that God is in complete control, and He has a counter plan against those that fight against liberty. The decades-old progressive lies have been exposed in this film, Death of a Nation. You know, Christians know that the truth sets you free. The truth is irrefutable. Members of my extended family have left the Democratic Party, and now we see a mass exodus leaving it too. You know, it's about time the Republicans protect our freedom and go on the offensive and have nothing to do with evil, but rather expose it. And this good film does exactly that. The Democrats have controlled academia, the media, and the whole entertainment industry for way too long. But today's a new day, and we have a strong man in the White House who, like Lincoln, is brave and bold. He's confident that together we can restore America's greatness. When a nation loses its soul, so to speak, it loses its freedom and liberty. But together, Americans who cherish liberty can restore it. Remember, liberty comes only through Christ and the Christian religion. This is why Democrats support the removal of prayer and Bible reading in public schools. Think about it. Remember, Christians must protect religious liberty, or all other liberties will be crushed too. Once religious liberty is lost, so does economic and civil liberty go away. And remember, my friends, if freedom comes only one way, from Christ and Almighty God, or it will not come at all. Thank you for joining us at the Story of Liberty.
Lincoln was elected to unite a country and stop slavery. Democrats smeared him, went to war against him, assassinated him. Now their target is Trump.
America was never free! Slavery, genocide, and war!
Donald Trump wins the presidency. So help me God.
They say he's killing America.
There will be a vote to impeach.
They say he's a racist.
This was a white lash.
And a fascist. Who are the real racists?
Northern Democrats had conspired together with Southern Democrats to take away the fruit of other people's labor.
Who are the real fascists?
Both Mussolini and Hitler set up and ran welfare states.
This was done by the do-gooders, the liberals, the people who wanted to improve society.
Which party attacks our free speech?
How dare you speak against the free law?
Our religious liberty and our personal safety. A nation dies when its people are not free. We too must fight for freedom, regardless of the price we pay.
An end in terror is preferable to a terror with no end.
The stakes could not be higher. We're talking about America, the greatest nation on earth. Lincoln saved America for the first time. It's now up to us to save America a second time.